Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Alexa voice control to your Samsung Dryer smart features, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Samsung Dryer is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Download the SmartThings app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the SmartThings app on your mobile device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select devices from the options that appear. Choose Samsung as the brand of your device. Find and select your dryer model from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your dryer to the app. Once connected, ensure that your dryer is assigned to a room for easy access. Enable the voice assistant feature within the SmartThings app. Now, open the Alexa app on your mobile device. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select Add Device to begin connecting your dryer. Choose Others from the list of device types. Search for the SmartThings skill in the Skills section of the Alexa app. Enable the SmartThings skill by following the prompts. Log in using the same account credentials you used for SmartThings. Once the SmartThings skill is enabled, tap Discover Devices in the Alexa app. Allow Alexa to search for your Samsung Dryer. After discovery, your dryer should appear in the list of devices. You can now control your dryer using voice commands through Alexa. Try commands like Alexa, start the dryer, or Alexa, set the dryer to delicate. Make sure to test a few commands to ensure everything is working properly. If you encounter issues, check your Wi-Fi connection and ensure both apps are updated. For ongoing support, refer to the FAQs in the SmartThings or Alexa app. Now you can enjoy the convenience of controlling your Samsung Dryer with your voice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.